So in this video, we're going to create a training institute scenario which consists, which have the schema as course, badge, inquiry, enrollment, and fees paid. So basically, this course is just a table name, which that table name is the column name and the data type. So let's go to the code. So in the code, we just write the, the SQL command as create table course, the course code, uh, along with the data type, the course name, the data type, and the syllabus with the data type. So after clicking enter, the table will be created. So to view the table, we type DESC course. So by writing this command, we'll able to see what we will able to see the table what we have created. So next we go to insert into course, the course code, course name, syllabus, and the values. So in this we give the value for A, B, and C. So the value will be inserted in the course, and the row 1 will be created. So again we'll do the same thing. We'll write the course code, course name, syllabus, and we'll give the values. So we'll give the values, and again one row will be created. So to display all the tables, we just type select star from course. So from course, which is the table name, will display all the values which we inserted in the table. So after that is the course code. Select course code from course. So to display the course code from the table name as course, we'll write this command select course code from course. After that, select course name from course. So this will show the course name as Oracle and Java. Then after that, select syllabus from course. So when we type this, it will display the syllabus from the table course. So it will display the syllabus. After that is the create table badge. So that will give the badge name, badge code with that badge code, which is uh, the table column name and the uh, and the course name, course code, and the data type as number. Same thing we just did to create the table for course. We'll do it same thing for the batch. So after we hit enter, the table will be created. So again, to view the table, we type DESC space batch to view the table. Again, we'll create another table as the table name as inquiry, but here's an error as inquiry because I just wrote the same thing twice. That's an error because I just wrote the same command twice, and the table in the first line, first command is same as the second command. So it is showing an error. So for to drop the table, we'll write drop table as the table name as enrollment. So it will drop the table enrollment. Then it will show table dropped. After that is the create table enrollment. So we create another table as the table name as enrollment, which will have the same column name and the data types. So again, to view it, we'll write DESC space enrollment to display the name and its type. After that, we'll create again a table as fees paid, table name as fees paid, along with the column names and the data types. And to view it, we'll write DESC space fees paid to view all the column names and its data types. After that, we create same thing. We create a table name as inquiry. So in this, it's showing as a constant name as E1, which is showing an error. The error is because of I've already used the constant name E1 and before when I've created a table as constant E1. So it's showing an error because I've already used an E1. That's why it's showing name already used by an existing constant. So after that, it's create table inquiry. So we'll again create a table name as inquiry and give all the column names and the data types. After that, we hit enter and the table will be created. Then to display the table, we write DESC, then space inquiry to display the columns and its data types. And again to display the enrollment, we'll write DESC space enrollment to display the enrollment values like row, inquiry number, batch code, enrollment date. After that is insert into enrollment. So we'll insert the value in the enrollment table, the different values as roll number, inquiry number, batch code, and enrollment date. So we'll give the values for A, B, C, D, the basic information what we need to insert into the enrollment enrollment table. So after we write all this, we'll press enter and one row will be created. And to delete a column from a table, we just write delete from enrollment. So it will get deleted. Then to display the batch, we'll write DESC batch to display it. Then to display the table name, display everything from the table name batch, we'll write select star from batch. So, but we already deleted, so no row selected. So we haven't yet selected any row from the batch. So we haven't yet inserted any values in the batch, so it won't show anything. Then we'll insert the values in the batch as batch, the table name batch with different columns as batch code, course code, starting date, duration, course fees. So we'll give the values for it. Then we'll again create the row. Then after that, the row will be created. Same thing again. We're gonna insert multiple values in it. So row one again we'll do the same thing, and the row will be created. So we'll do it for like four to five times to insert the values in the batch. Then in order to view it, we type select star from batch. So it will display everything what is there in the batch table. So batch code, all the values, course code, starting, duration, course fees, everything will be displayed. Then to display the inquiry, we'll write DESC inquiry. So it will display everything, the inquiry table. After that, we insert the values into the inquiry. So we'll insert the values in the inquiry as inquiry number, F name, S name, course code, street, city, pin code, inquiry, date, everything. So we'll basically give the values for every column name. The data will give the data for every column name. So again, one row will be created, and again we'll do the same thing for the next column. We'll give the data, we'll input the data, and the row will be created. So then to display the inquiry, we'll write select star from inquiry. So it will display display everything from the inquiry table, but we just entered in before that. So after that, we'll display the enrollment. So we type again the DESC space enrollment to display all the column name and its data types. Then after that, we insert the values in the enrollment. So we'll write insert into enrollment and the column name, and so we'll give the values, and a row will be created. So we'll do it like 7 to 8 times, 5 to 6 times to insert the values in the enrollment table. So we'll write select star from enrollment. So to display the values in the enrollment table. So it will display the roll number, inquiry number, batch code, enrollment. So it will display everything. Then we'll display the fees paid. So we'll write DESC space fees paid. So it will display all the data. It will display the column name and all its data types in the fees paid. After that, we'll insert the values in the fees paid. So we'll do the same thing again and again and again. So we'll basically create like 4 to 5 rows for the fees paid table. So we'll do it, and to display it, we'll write select star from fees paid table. So again, we're going to display the fees paid table and all its data by using star. That's it, friend. Thank you for watching the video.